Today we're taking a look at the 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner by Garvey. It has multiple different modes and can cool up to a 750 square foot area. I'm super excited that I was sent this for this video because we will thoroughly test out all the different modes, set it up step by step, and do a temperature test to see if it really does put out some cool air. Starting with what comes in the box, we have our exhaust hose that does stretch and fold like an accordion so you can get the perfect length. Then we have a drainage tube, window sliding kit, a user manual, and a remote control with batteries included. To set it up, first thing that you're gonna do is measure out the height of your window and mark that on the window kit. Once you find that height, you can stick a pin in it, and that plastic pin will mark that height so you don't have to remeasure. Next, we connect the exhaust hose to the window plate, and then you're going to extend this and attach it back to the air conditioner. Attaching it to the air conditioner is pretty straightforward. You're just going to slide it into the bracket. Once it's nice and tight inside the bracket, then you're pretty much done and ready to go. Before we run it, let's talk about drainage. There are two different drainage holes. This one right here allows you to just dump it into a bucket or outside or anywhere. You just undo the plug and all the water will spill out. If you want continuous drainage because you live in somewhere that has high humidity, then you would attach the drainage hose back here and it will constantly drain the water from the air conditioner. We are all set up and ready to go, so let's go ahead and discuss the controls. Of course, we have your on and off power button, and once you turn it on, this little lid will lift up and it will immediately start blowing out air. We have your mode button next, where you can select different modes, anywhere from cool, fan, dry, high, auto, or low. Then of course you can use these two buttons to control the temperature setting, and it will automatically kick off once it reaches that temperature in the room. Then you have fan speed, high, low, and auto. And then of course you could always set a timer if you don't want it to continuously run. But if you live in a hotter climate, I definitely recommend using this often and keeping it running until it reaches that temperature. With the remote control, we're gonna have pretty much the same exact controls, but we do have the sleep mode button here, which will make it much quieter while you're sleeping. You can always change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit with this button, control the fan speeds with this button right here, select the oscillating mode with this button, increase or decrease the temperature, set a timer, and then change your different modes with that middle button. And then at any time you want to shut off the air conditioner, you just hit the power button. It'll take about 20 seconds to shut down and then you're good to go. I'm really curious how cold this air conditioner actually gets. So I have my thermometer here and we're gonna go ahead and test it on high mode at the coolest setting to see what kind of temperatures you can expect coming from this air conditioner. So we'll go ahead and we'll turn it on, make sure that it's on cool. We want it to be on high fan mode, and we want to set this all the way down to 64 degrees. After a couple of minutes of letting it cool down, let's go ahead and see what kind of temperatures we're getting. And it's putting out temperatures close to freezing, 31.5, 31.7, 32 degrees. So you can expect this to easily cool a room around that 750 square foot area. When it comes down to it, you can expect this 14,000 BTU air conditioner from Garvey to really put out some cool air. We were getting temperatures under freezing, which would easily cool off a room in the summertime. It's not gonna work for an entire house, but if your house is on the relatively smaller side, it could do pretty good. It's super easy to set up. You can move it from window to window because it does have wheels on the bottom. And overall, I recommend checking it out if you don't need to cool off a huge area and you just need to target a bedroom or a living room. I really liked it and I think you guys will like it too. Thank you so much for watching this video review and I hope that it helped.